Hi everyone, so this is my very first vlog. I hope everyone's safe and well during this MCO period. Today I'm going to show you guys how to maintain the shine on vehicles with PPF. So I'm going to show you an example of a vehicle where the PPS are a lot of watermarks on it. As you can see, the black color doesn't shine as well as the Cayman's blue, and this is because we didn't use the products that 3M provided to remove watermarks and to wax the PPF to make it shine, as at the time when we PPF this car, those products weren't really released yet. So the two products in question that we're going to be talking about today and using is, first is this Sharp Shooter Extra Strength No Rinse Mark Remover. So what that does is that removes all the watermarks on the surface of this PPF. And then after that, to make the PPF shine and to make the paint look a lot better, we're going to be using this 3M Quick Works after that. So I'm going to give you a quick look of what it looks like after a wash before applying the products mentioned. So it looks pretty shiny already, but you're going to see quite a bit of a difference after applying the Quick Wax by 3M. So I've just applied the watermark remover on the car, and as you can see, the paint is a little bit more shiny, and look at how dirty the cloth is. So this is a very important process for people who have PPF their car, as once the watermarks have stained the PPF, there's no way you can remove the watermarks, and you're gonna have to peel out all the film and redo the whole PPF on the parts that you've removed the film from. And that process is really expensive and not very necessary unless there's a lot of stone chips on your PPF already and the PPF has already been damaged. Essentially what this is that it has removed all the dirty water molecules stuck in the PPF. So you could say it's more like it's like a cleaning adhesive that sort of clean the whole PPF. And now we're going to apply the Quick Wax over here, and we're going to see how the car looks after this. So this is what the car looks like after applying the wax. I'm not sure whether the camera is picking it up very well, but most of the scratches are now removed. And this weather is not the optimum conditions to be doing this, polishing the car. It's better to do it in a hot weather because there's less moisture, but since I was already doing it halfway before the rain started, so I just might as well thought I should have finished it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like and comment if you have any questions, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers.